Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You already have bracketed images. Start now by launching Luminance Hdr and choosing New HDR. Import the RAW or JPEG set. Add EV values like -2, 0, +2 so the program knows each shot's exposure. If you shot handheld, enable auto-align to correct shifts. Using a tripod reduces artifacts, but auto-align saves the day when needed. Also set the correct input color profile. This ensures accurate tones later. Once done, confirm image order and move to generate a merged HDR image to continue processing. With the HDR merged, press Generate HDR and inspect the combined histogram to catch clipped highlights or shadows. Remove any bad frames first. Next, pick a tone mapping operator, Fatal for detail, Mantiuk for painterly contrast, Drago for natural look, and tweak contrast, saturation, and local strength to shape mood. Use exposure fusion when you want a natural, low-artifact result. Choose the 32-bit pipeline if you plan heavy post-processing. Make incremental changes. Preview at 100% to judge detail and halos before exporting. When the tone looks right, export your result. Choose 16-bit TIFF for further editing or 8-bit PNG/JPEG for quick web use. Convert to sRGB for consistent online color. Resize before final sharpen. Apply light sharpening to avoid accentuating noise. If you see halos or ghosting, reduce local strength in the tone mapper or rerun auto-align and exclude the problematic frame that introduced movement. Finally, compare before and after. Make small adjustments and save versions so you can revert if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.